Are you getting the libhogweed-4 library DLL error after the GNU Project update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. To start the walkthrough for libhogweed-4 library, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the libhogweed-4 library, a specialized cryptographic library implementing the Nettle framework. It provides applications with high-speed hashing and encryption routines. It is a mandatory requirement for GnuTLS and several secure transfer tools. Missing versions prevent secure handshakes, resulting in invalid certificate or handshake failed errors. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. This issue involves a protected Windows DLL that requires official restoration. Start an elevated command prompt session and run sfc/scan now so that Windows can automatically validate and replace files like libhogweed-4 library. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the libhogweed-4 library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Using an incorrect or outdated version of libhogweed-4 library DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. Review guidance on library management and system stability by accessing the repair-related resource linked below for libhogweed-4 library. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got libhogweed-4 library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.